Cucumber raita is one of those essential Indian condiments that doesn't only go well with any savory dish, but it's a great palate cleanser. So let's check out this super basic recipe that has just a couple of ingredients, but some are more important than others. So first things first, get your cutting board and start grating that cucumber nice and thin. It's nice and shredded, then you squeeze out all the water so that we can have a nice, thick and creamy texture for our raita. Now I'm adding that into yogurt with some chaat masala, black salt and ground cumin. And you know that black salt is very pungent because of this reaction by my fiance.
Oh, the chaat masala stinks.
Now, chaat masala is a blend of different spices, one of them being black salt. By itself, black salt is extremely potent, but mixed with things and used in the right proportions, it really does magic. So if it's your first time using it, best of luck. It's gonna be worth it. Just mix all of that up now. Let that get nice and creamy. My yogurt is nice and creamy, so it's not too watery, so that we're gonna have a really beautiful creamy texture. And then what you can do, just clean up the sides, serve it up, and then garnish it with some red chili powder and maybe some more of that chaat masala. For a bit of spice, you can also add some finely chopped chilies, but that's completely up to you. I hope you have a good time enjoying this raita, and best part about it, have it with my aloo paratha.